What actually changed when I stopped chasing quick wins online? For a long time, I thought speed was the goal online. That is faster posting, faster growth, faster income. But everything changed when I stopped chasing quick wins and started building something stable. Let me explain what shifted. Section number one, the trap of speed. Quick wins feel good briefly, but they create pressure. That is, pressure to repeat results, pressure to keep up, pressure to improve, pressure to impress, and pressure creates consistency. I realized I wasn't building confidence, rather, I was borrowing excitement. Section number two, what slowing down revealed. When I slowed down, my contents became clearer, my decision became simpler, and my stress reduced. I wasn't reacting anymore, rather, I was choosing intentionally. And that's when things started to make sense. Section number three, why beginners need stability, not speed. Beginners don't need intensity, rather, they need repetition, understanding, feedback loops. Slow systems to teach you why fast system exhaust you. And exhaustion looks like failure even when it's not. Section number four, the quiet confidence that comes from structure. Once structure exists, you don't panic again, you don't compare, and you don't rush. Rather, you move calmly, and that's real progress. Quick wins impress people. Stable systems sustain you. If you are building this long term, stay with this channel. We are doing this properly.